We start traveling to Serbia. Let's go! Let's go! Hello everybody, it's the Serbian Wolf and today is the travel day. I am traveling today with my sister and my sister is still sleeping. We'll make her up with some Serbian music. Let's go! You wake up right now, we go to Serbia! Okay. So we go to Serbia or not? Are we going to Serbia? Oh. Oh. We have the great music. And it's time to leave Paris. Why don't you prepare? Yes, I am, because I'm traveling to Serbia and I have a YouTube channel and people that I must feed with videos, so I have to be dynamic. Not like here, sleeping like a potato. Okay, it's time to travel. And now we can go, we can travel. Oh, we forget to take some candies for the road. Do you want to appear in my videos?
No.
No, you don't want to see your face?
No, I'm ugly.
Okay. And what about me? Beep, 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 beep. Now we're really full. We start the travel. Let's go to Serbia! We can push here to 0. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We've made 37 kilometers from leaving Paris and we are hungry like never. So we'll make a small break in the McDonald's, in the first McDonald's we found. So we just ate and we're full. We're ready for traveling. I think we can drive until we arrive in Germany. Here is the road. Germany! Here in Germany you can drive how much you want. Look at these cars, oh my god! Welcome to Germany! So we're here in Germany, we took a small break, we put the fuel in the car and we eat some German Wurst. It was a great thing. Now I will drive until I go to Vienna in Österreich, in Austria. I will drive until we go in Austria. I have a cousin there, I call him and I will meet him tonight, so let's go now. I have to tell you something. Germany is a so great country. Here to drive, if you're a driver, you have a car. No problem what kind of car it is. Any car, it's wonderful to drive here because you can drive in the highway the speed you want. You don't have to limit yourself. Now we will make you a demonstration on the speed. The speed you can drive here, it's unbelievable. We don't ask the assistant to comment what's happening. Another thing that is so great here, when a guy is on the left side of the highway, if you are behind him, he will do the maximum he can to go on the right side of the road, so he will never be an obstacle for you. That is a so great thing. Look, the guy in front, he will do what he can to go on the right side right now. Okay, thank you very much, guy, and you can continue the speed you want to drive. That is so wonderful. Now I have to stop filming because I have to concentrate on the road. I don't want to do some crazy stuff. We just arrived in Austria, and here we have to buy a vignette for crossing the country. You have to pay for a small thing that you will stick on your windshield, and this is like a tax for using the roads here. Let's go to buy one. I was in the shop to buy the vignette, and I found these ice creams. I needed to buy one. The sun is going down, and we have 300 more kilometers to do before arriving in Vienna. We can continue the road. Let's go. We just arrived in Vienna, Austria. Here we are, just in front of the place where my cousin lives. If you like the trip, I recommend you to share, to like, and to subscribe to the channel, and to watch the second video related to the second day of this trip. Here.